ET Infra on 6th of March is hosting its maiden summit on infrastructure financing. Now, India's capital expenditure, which is mostly focused on infrastructure build-up, has been around 11 lakh crores annually, which focuses on massive investment in the infrastructure sector. Now, over the years, we have developed financial products such as REITs, InvITs and TOT, which have more or less addressed the financing needs of various subsectors in the infrastructure sector. Today, at the summit, the various stakeholders will deliberate on the necessary regulatory framework that is needed for ring-fencing infrastructure financing, development of new products in the coming years, as well as the much-needed regulatory framework to ensure that investments are secured and protected. So, we welcome you to the first edition of ET Infra Finance Summit.